Hey guys, Robin here with WTI. Let's talk about this amazing bathroom set. So included in this set is the hand towel rack, the dual hook, the large 23.6-inch towel rack, and then also the toilet paper roll holder to finish off the look. It is beautiful. I really appreciate it has a little nub on the end so the toilet roll doesn't come off. This beautiful matte black 4-piece set is absolutely beautiful and perfect for this bathroom. You can see here these are really nicely built and they are very, very sturdy as well. So their thickness is really nice and the finishing on the edges is beautiful also. I love the sleek modern design on this. It is absolutely beautiful. It is super close to the wall, yet gives you ample room to put your towel in without any problems. So that is one thing I appreciate, especially since it's so close to the shower. I hate when you get out and you hit yourself on the towel rack. This eliminates that problem altogether. All in all, guys, I think it's a really beautiful upgrade to any bathroom, especially if you have additional matte black appliances or additional features in that as well. It really brings the room together. But that's just my point of view.